Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk Bitcoin, XRP, Cardano, and Dogecoin, four of the cryptos we talk about a lot right here on the program. Welcome into the Crypto Mark. I am Mark, and for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. And if you have not done so, please give me a subscribe, smash that like button, and be sure to leave your comments down below. And let's talk about it, because right now the market is in a wait and see approach, in my opinion. We're just kind of figuring it out, all right? We had a very bullish run up, and then all of a sudden, the new year comes, huge sell-off as to be expected, some non-favorable numbers coming out from the Fed, as well as the unemployment, and then, of course, we have Donald Trump taking office January 20th with that inauguration. So those are some of the things that are moving the needle. I want to share with you guys kind of what's going on right now, because there is massive growth for Bitcoin, XRP, Cardano, and Dogecoin, four of the cryptos that we talk about a lot, and I want to share with you guys exactly what that means. So please stick around to the end of this video, and let's get down into it, okay? So the first thing that we want to look into it with everything right now is the crypto bubbles. I'll share with you guys exactly where the markets are at. We have seen a green day on the board, and Bitcoin up 2.8%. Leading the charge for the rest of the alts to take suit, Dogecoin 4.8%. The ones we're going to be talking about here, XRP 3.4%, Cardano 3.6%, now trading at 93 cents. There is a very strong narrative within ADA that needs to reclaim $1. It's very crucial if they want to break out, and I'll share with you guys kind of what the numbers are within this video that are relative to what we're talking about. Also, I do want to tell you guys this is not financial advice. Please be sure to do your own research. Run everything through your own due diligence with all things financial. I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto here. We just talk about the ones that I hold and the ones that I love, okay? But here we are, guys, talking about Bitcoin, XRP, Cardano, and the Doge, okay? So we have seen a massive growth number within the wallets amid the market dip, and that's going to be the big metric we're going to be talking about, okay? Bitcoin right now is pumping. If we want to talk about them right now, it's 94.7 there on the chart. That's been a pretty nice revival, as getting low as 91,000 this week, okay? Dogecoin almost lost 30 cents, but now is the conversation leading up to Dogecoin being back almost 50%, a little bit under that of all-time highs. That's what we have to talk about. And then we did see Cardano losing that $1 mark. That's been the big storyline as well. Now with XRP, that's a little bit of a different story, because we did talk XRP. I did a video a little earlier today how XRP is outperforming the rest of the market. They're kind of being the outlier right now as we stand. They're kind of stable. And that's a good sign of strength in a market where we're kind of waiting to see what's going to actually happen, okay? But that's kind of where we've seen a lot of bearishness within a lot of the large cap cryptos, okay? But the large number of non-empty wallets for these assets have been rising since the new year, coming out from data from Sentiment, one of the more favorable data platforms, analytics platforms that I use within my crypto trading. With a recent tweet on this report, okay, Ethereum and Bitcoin are surging in wallets, but we are seeing some declines in some of the other ones. But we're not going to talk about the other ones. We're going to talk about the four cryptos that we're talking about, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP, and Cardano, okay? And that's kind of where we see 645,000 Ethereum, right? We talked about that a lot in previous videos. Ethereum has not made their move. A lot of people are saying 4,000 Ethereum. They're saying 10,000 Ethereum. It's something that we have to talk about, because the ERC20 tokens out there, such as Shiba Inu and Pepe, Pepe made their move, but I don't think they're quite done yet personally. And I think that Shiba Inu is one of the more value plays out there in the market, that they're just waiting for that pump, right? Every other meme coin out there in the space has had it. SHIB has not. But this growth that we're seeing within new wallets, okay, that's kind of where we're seeing not the price go up really, but that's kind of where we're looking at the value that lies within. Keep this in mind. Ethereum was at 37.43 just 4 days ago. Why is it down? Okay. That's a strong value move for me. If you guys are into swing trading, the market right now is unpredictable. It's volatile. Traders are being hesitant. They're being emotional, and they're just basically just getting out, getting in, getting out. There's really no narrative that is concrete, set in stone, that traders are looking into as we get into the new year, okay? Bitcoin, conversely, 102,000 new wallets since January 1, okay? The price year to date since January 1st has been 1.12%, solidifying kind of more of a stable asset despite all the market fluctuations. That's kind of what we've seen with XRP as well. The most significant increase in wallet holders as well, 58,000 in 2025, a 1% growth in holders. That's big. I'll take 1% in just a few days. Gotta love that with what's coming for XRP down the pipeline. We know that Guarding House is in works with Trump. We'll see what that all happens. Also, the XRP ETF that is, as they put it, kind of inevitable. Okay, it's imminent. Also, the last two, Cardano and Dogecoin. We talked about the $1 level, how it's so crucial for Cardano, but right now, 2,800 and 29,000 respectively for Dogecoin. That's kind of where we look at Dogecoin at 33.58 at the time of this publication. I think that's where Dogecoin is showing a lot of growth since the start of the new year. One of the cryptos that I'm bullish on as well, I think Dogecoin $1 will happen. That's my personal price prediction. Always do your own research and due diligence. But these four cryptos that I'm indicating right now in this video, Cardano, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and XRP, those are the four that I hold and I believe in for this bull run in 2025. So I wanted to share with you guys kind of my stance and sentiment. Appreciate you guys all tuning in. There's really no earth-shattering news from this update. However, in a market where we are so undecided and it's been so kind of hot and cold as we start the new year, that metric within new wallets is something that I'm hanging my hats on within the conversation that these cryptos really have not had their run, with the exception of maybe Bitcoin and XRP. So with that, I'll leave you. Appreciate you guys all watching. Give me a couple minutes of your time before we get out of here. If you have not already done so, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want daily crypto news and information, this is the channel for you. I appreciate you all. Have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.